How to fix YouTube comments not showing up. Open the YouTube app or website and make sure your internet connection is working properly. Reload the video and wait a few seconds to allow the comments section to load. Close the app completely and open it again to refresh the system. Log into your account because comments may not show when you are signed out. Scroll down slowly under the video since comments sometimes take time to appear. Check if the video owner has disabled comments because in that case, nothing will be visible. Update the YouTube app from the App Store to fix possible bugs. Clear the app cache from your device settings and then reopen the app. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem is network-related. Turn off restricted mode from settings since it can hide comments on some videos. Disable browser extensions, like ad blockers, if you are using a desktop browser. Try opening the video in another browser or another device to test the issue. Sign out of your account and then sign back in to refresh your session. Restart your device and then open YouTube again to check if comments appear. Thank you for watching.